Hey everyone, thanks for tuning in today. My name's Jay with Sentinel Armament Manufacturing. Today we're super excited to showcase our first product that we're going to be releasing, the double grenade pouch. We started working on this pouch when we were overseas, and we wanted to try and find a way that we could add additional grenades in the absent space of your plate carrier. As you can see here on the plate carrier, we have it in the horizontal configuration, which allows for a more ergonomic pull of the grenade out of the pouch to the side instead of up like the standard issue grenade pouches where you're pulling it into your chin, which is extremely difficult and uncomfortable, especially if you're in the prone position. You can also see the setup here we have in the vertical configuration on our Axle Advanced cummerbund. This allows you to utilize the space below the cummerbund that you wouldn't normally be able to mount a pouch and save real estate on the rest of the cummerbund for mission essential gear. You can also see over here on our belt setup, we have it in the vertical position to utilize that space below, or even in the horizontal position if you want to have a sideways pull of the grenade out of the pouch. To be able to accomplish the ability to mount in the vertical and horizontal position, we worked with Mike Cole over at Southern Innovations to bring his proprietary MOLLE strap into our product. In order to be able to mount it in the vertical position or the horizontal position, we created a full slit MOLLE going all the way from left to right, where you can slide in the MOLLE straps through here for the vertical configuration, or turning it sideways and folding the strap to be able to come out of the horizontal MOLLE slots in both the top and the bottom of the pouch. We're also going to be offering malice clips in the short and long version for anyone in an airborne career field, or if you just want a little bit stiffer of a mounting solution. Another option that we'll be offering on the website is a stiffener. This will allow you to take out a little bit of that extra movement from the bottom grenade if you have it in the vertical configuration. We're going to be carrying this product in a Coyote, Ranger Green, and a multicam pattern. If you have any questions about this product or any of the other products we carry, go down the link below for our website and make sure to follow us on our social media channels. Thanks again for tuning in today, and we hope to see you on the next one.